First off, don't skip this. Don't just like click off of this if you care about like what I actually do on my channel and where it's headed for the future, because I know that there are little active subscribers on here. I just want everybody to hear this so you know what's up, because I'm super inconsistent on this channel and I'm about to explain why. But if this is the first time you see like a video from me, go check out my channel first, watch some other videos, come back to this one. It'll make things more clear, I guess. I got a new camera, that's a good thing. Oh, it's an 18 to 135. So I bought that, and then I got a lens hood for it because I want to look professional. I got a Rode Go mic, I don't know. I had a really bad mic before, so I got a new one, and I got a Canon 80D body. The reason I bought this is because I felt like I needed the upgrade. And you can tell me, go right here, I'll put it right here, go to my Instagram at tj.media_ on Instagram or Twitter, but mostly Instagram. That is also how you can keep, you can stay updated with what I'm doing basically, because I don't post everything on my channel. And a lot of times I'll be posting on Instagram stories and all that, and all the events that I go to. That's another thing, going to events. The main reason I'm inconsistent on this channel is because, I don't know, there's a bunch of shit that's going on. So hopefully I'll be driving in 5 days legally, because I'm not of age until this 5 days. This is the first day I can legally get it. So as soon as I get my license, maybe people aren't aware to what car I have, and that's my 2003 Infiniti G35 sedan, auto transmission with 210,000 miles. So there won't be a lot of mods going to that, because I feel like I'd just be wasting money and putting too much money into something that's not going to last that long. I did spend a substantial amount of money on some Sparco wheels, which I didn't even know Sparco made wheels, but they do. So Sparco Trophy 05s. I'll go in depth on the wheels and the tires when I start driving, and once I can like dedicate a video to that and go around the whole car and explain the whole car. So I won't be dumping a lot of money into that, so don't expect a bunch of content, at least on my car. Previously, I made 2 videos on how Daniel's Mustang build has gone, and it's gone pretty well. I think he's trying to go full race car with it eventually, so I'll just try and track all that progress and update everything he does on YouTube. The drift season is right around the corner, and it's actually basically started, so I'm really trying to go to FD Long Beach, and that would be really crazy, and if that works out, then that would be really cool. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to get my motorcycle license, and I'm gonna buy a dual sport, so expect wheelie stuff. That's basically all I wanted to say. If you're new, please go check out the other videos. Subscribe if you want to. My channel is basically dead, so it would help out a lot. Anyways, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.